Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be making akara or beans cake. This snack is one of the famous street snacks in Nigeria. So to start with, first I'm going to start by blending my well cleaned beans, pepper and onion. As you can see in the video, I've already cleaned my beans. This method is very easy and very fast. All you need to do is to blend your beans while it's still dry, and after that soak it in water for about 2 hours. Next, after the 2 hours, go ahead to wash it and remove the unwanted particles. Once you soak it in the water, the unwanted particles, which are the back of the beans, they will float on the water. You just need to sieve them out, and after that your beans will be well cleaned. So right now I'm done blending my beans. Can you see how smooth it look like? So go ahead and repeat the same process with the remaining beans. Next, go ahead to use your whisk or your hand mixer to mix the beans. This will help to incorporate air into your beans batter before frying it. After you are done whisking, go ahead to add in your roughly blended onion and pepper into your beans batter. Guys, I like to blend my onion and pepper separate because it helps to give the akara a nice and a perfect taste than when you blend everything together. Next, go ahead to add in some salt to it, and make sure you do not add too much salt to it if you want to enjoy your akara. After adding in the salt, continue whisking until everything is properly combined together. One more thing guys, make sure you add a very little water to your beans when blending it if you don't want your akara to become flat when you start frying it. Trust me, you wouldn't like such, seeing your akara become flat in the oil. Next, heat up some vegetable oil into your deep saucepan, then start scooping your beans batter into your hot oil. Make sure you do not overheat your oil, and also fry the akara on a medium heat. After you are done frying one side of the akara and it's turned golden brown, flip to the other side of it to make sure you fry the both sides of the akara. After I'm done frying both sides of the akara, I'm going to go ahead to use my sieve to take it off the heat, then place it on my kitchen towel to dry the excess oil on it. Guys, after you are done frying the first batch, repeat the same process with the remaining beans batter until you finish frying everything. If you've ever been to Nigeria and you've never tried this famous beans cake akara, just know that you are missing a lot. Guys, try this recipe at home and tell me what you think about it on the comment section. And do remember to subscribe to this channel if today is your first time of visiting this channel. To all my wonderful returning viewers, thank you all so much for always supporting me. Please do like, subscribe and share this video.